Niger State is known as the Power State, a land rich in agriculture and culture. But a new seed is being planted by the leadership of the state that reimagine its future, a future where innovation, data, and technology will work hand in hand for better governance. The Paritie Tech Bootcamp for kids and teenagers is part of this unfolding story, a story of a state preparing its youngest citizens for a digital tomorrow. Technology is no longer a luxury. It is the foundation of modern governance and industry. From smart farming to data-driven actions, the future of Niger State depends on how well its people can adapt to the tools of the 21st century. This is why the bootcamp is more than just a training. It is an investment in the destiny of our children.
Here at Paritie, our vision aligns with that of Niger State, where most sectors such as recruitment, agriculture is being modernized. And that is why at Paritie, we're trying to modernize the young minds, where we're going to teach them ICT literacy and skill acquisition. If a 12-year-old can code or make designs today, imagine what he or she can do for the state in the next 5 or 10 years to come.
Running this bootcamp wasn't all about teaching skills. It was about shaping their character and resilience, so that they take these values beyond Paritie into their families, into their schools, into their workplaces, their playgroups, and someday they can have it inculcated into Niger State at large.
The success of Paritie Tech Bootcamp is made possible not just by our learners and mentors, but also by the partners who believe in this vision. Their support has helped create opportunities for kids and teenagers to experience technology in ways that will shape their future. Our partner shares why this journey matters.
As an organization, we believe in empowering the kids. Seeing what Paritie is doing with the children, we knew we had to just key into this particular initiative. Technology is shaping every industry, and exposing these children to these technological innovations early in life will go ahead into boosting the opportunities that lies ahead. So we knew perfectly that we just have to key into this particular initiative that has been established by Paritie Hub. This bootcamp perfectly aligns with what Aspire Alliance wishes to present to the general population, which is boosting and empowering education, both in terms of technological innovations and arts. We are proud to support this program and see how this initiative will produce greater innovators that will transform Niger State and beyond.
Here, learning is hands-on, from coding, data analysis, and graphics design. These young minds learn to design brands and ideas that could one day represent businesses in Niger State.
What excites me the most is how quickly they learn. Some of them came here not knowing what a spreadsheet was, but now they can build simple dashboards. That's the same kind of data literacy that will transform how the state manages data in different sectors.
I used to think data was just about raw information and numbers, but this bootcamp has helped me understand that I can tell stories with numbers, and different sectors like farming, healthcare, and education can be improved with data. It's really exciting.
The best part of teaching these kids coding is to see fear turn into excitement. At first, they hesitate, but once they run their first code, they realize, oh, I can create something. That spark is what we are planting in kids here at Paritie.
I love coding. I've been able to design a web page using HTML and CSS, and I believe that one day I will design an app which will help solve some of the problems we are facing in the States.
Graphic design is all about communication, and we're nurturing these children how to combine both creativity and technology together. Some of them are even far better than university level beginners. And imagine how the state would be if we nurture them and train them on these paths.
This bootcamp has taught me how to design logos and flyers. I feel proud of myself for this skill that I've learned, because I can use it to help people around me create stunning designs for their businesses.
Beyond individual skills, the bootcamp teaches collaboration. Just like the state's vision for development, no one can build the future alone. These young learners share ideas and guide one another to achieve good results together.
Each time I encounter a challenge while writing my codes, My friends and tutor will always help me out. I really love the teamwork. It makes us better.
Every great harvest starts with a seed. These projects may look simple now, but they are proof of what happens when young children are given the right tools. This is how tomorrow's innovators are made. The journey ends in celebration. Presentations are more than displays of skill. They are declarations of possibility. Each child stands a little taller, speaks a little louder, dreams a little bigger.
When I see them present with confidence, I see the future the leadership of the state is envisioning. A state where technology supports governance, entrepreneurship, and farming. These kids will not only live in that future, they will also build it.
When we started this boot camp, it was with the mindset that the earlier you plant a seed, the bigger and better the harvest will be. While the government is making bold moves to bring technology into governance and other sectors, we as Paritie are preparing the ground to ensure that when the state is fully ready, its young ones will be ready too.
This bootcamp is proof that the future of the state lies in its young minds. These children are preparing to carry the torch of technology and innovation forward. This is more than a bootcamp. This is a revolution. One child, one skill, one future at a time. The Paritie Tech Bootcamp has shown us what's possible when children are given the tools, mentorship, and encouragement to explore technology. But this is only the beginning. To reach more kids and teenagers across Niger State, we need support and sponsorship from individuals and organizations to provide adequate learning resources like laptops and desktop computers, internet access, spacious learning environments, and other resources suitable for learning. Together, we can create a future where every child has the opportunity to learn, innovate, and lead through technology.